this is one Airbnb that I'm really love it because it's located in a very old building in Sukhumvit Soy 4. This place is called Omni Tower, and as you can see, the owner actually spent quite a lot of money to renovate this place. I think she actually spent like 500,000 baht, which is about 6,000 ringgit. Hello, what's up? So today I'm going to bring you to visit one of my Airbnb. We have just set this up. I think before COVID it was renovating, and then right now we actually got it ready between like 2.5 years. So just gonna give you a visit. Airbnb in Thailand is actually illegal. But there are certain buildings in Thailand which have some loopholes, and I think most of the Thai owners, they actually know it, like which are the buildings that can actually run Airbnb, and which are the unit that it's banned altogether. So you have to be really careful when if you plan to book on Airbnb for your holidays and stuff in Thailand, especially in Bangkok city. There is a strict regulation, so whenever you go into the common area or into a lift, you'll be able to see a signboard that says, hey, there is daily, weekly, or even like monthly rentals are not allowed. So you have to really be careful about it. So what is the worst that could happen is that probably the management office will get the police or the military army to inspect and just ask your guests, interrogate your guests. So yeah, you just have to be careful on that. But this is one Airbnb that I'm really love it because it's located in a very old building in Sukhumvit Soy 4. This place is called Omni Tower, and as you can see, the owner actually spent quite a lot of money to renovate this place. I think she actually spent like 500,000 baht, which is about 6,000 ringgit. But if you look at the quality of this finishing, right? Wow, it looks fabulous and awesome. So this is one of the legal Airbnb, I could say, which is available. There is no interruption from the lobby all the way up to the unit floor, right? So there is also like free parkings and stuff. So yeah, just let me walk you through. It's awesome. Yeah, so I'm a bit sweaty and stuff because I just photo shoot this whole entire unit to be listed up on Airbnb, Booking.com, and also Agoda. So if you're looking for units to invest, especially in Thailand, there is strict regulations whereby, for foreign quota in every single building, only 50% is allowed for foreigners to buy, and the remaining 50% has to be from a Thai citizen. Right, but if you really need help, I will be able to assist you if you have any questions about purchasing a property in Thailand, and also like running an Airbnb like this fantastic room. Woo. I mean, I would love to stay here, and the pricing is not high, like really like 1,000 to 1,500 baht. If you convert it into ringgit, it's going to be costing about 130 ringgit to probably 170 or 180 ringgit a night now. So it's still quite cheap, right? It's still quite reasonable. And yeah, look at this. Woo! I mean, the owner really spent a lot of time and effort to really decorate this whole place. And as you can see, it's a very small studio. It's about, let's say like 25 square meter. 25 square meter is about, I don't know, like 300 square feet in KL. So it's like a hotel room size, really like a hotel room size. When you come in, all the way you can straight away see what is your bed. There's a small kitchen on the right. There's a small toilet room as well. So yeah, let me bring you through and see the toilet as well. Toilet is look at this. Look at all this finishing. Yeah. So the owner actually spent really a lot, but considering it's only like 500k, which is like 60,000 ringgit, I think it's pretty worth it. It's a complete makeover because this building is actually a very old building. So This is such a great finishing and great ID. It comes with a washing machine as well. Woo! Okay, I'm getting a bit sweaty now. So let's get going. So we give you a tour of the rail. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Yeah, and this building is totally legal. There's no issues, security won't stop gas, and there's no problem with authorities. Yeah, but as you can see, it's a bit old. It's a quite old swimming pool and a gym on the right. I can't really see. So this is the building, yeah. So it looks like a really old. But yeah, with this building alone, we are generating about, I think, 60% occupancy for this July onwards, because the border has been open, the whole country has been open, and I guess it will recover until the end of the year, and probably by next year, it should probably recover to pre-COVID situations. So yeah, that's all that for now. Thanks for the walkthrough, and I will walk you through again some of the restrictions and also what are the do's and don'ts of not running an Airbnb in Thailand. So catch up with you. Thanks again for watching, guys. Remember, click and subscribe because there will be more Thai juice coming on your way.